All right, I got y'all right here on the daily chart. As y'all can see, we making a little move up. Like I told y'all, what's gonna happen eventually, but don't fall for it. If you're a day trader, you already know what it is. Y'all holders, man. I mean, mainly talking to y'all, because y'all don't see what's really about to happen. But what's about to happen is we about to get rejected by this 200 EMA on the daily. So like I mentioned before, that was a possibility, and now they're trying to, make it move fast so everybody fall for the hype. Because for one, you gotta ask yourself right now, it's Monday, right? Why is the markets going up on a Monday when usually it drops? Why? Just ask yourself that. And not only that, ask yourself how is the markets doing this when the banks are closed? Just ask yourself these simple questions, and then you will understand that this is a trap. And this is exactly what I was warning y'all about before. So all I'm saying is just pay attention to what they're doing. Pay attention to the dates. Don't go on how you feel, because that's how they get you. It's a mind game. They play with your feelings, and then you just fall for your feelings and you fall for the traps. Use your mind. Monday usually drops, but this Monday they're skyrocketing these prices. And not only that, it is a holiday when all the banks are closed. So it is a trap. So anyways, like we could come up here, like I say, max just below 35,000. It's not going to go above it. This is on the daily chart, and then we'll continue our move down. Now, this downward movement, like I said, the next real drop is going to be way worse than this recent drop we just had, because we leveled off on the 200 EMA, which will be, which will basically will be rejected from, and there'll be no more support after the fact, like I said, because our next stop is 20,000. Show y'all on the weekly. So I'll show y'all once again, like y'all see right here, resistance. This is going to be the next support, 20,000. And like I showed y'all before, this is a head and shoulders right here, right? So basically, where head and shoulders starts at, it has to end also. So 20,000 is the end of these head and shoulders. So we're most definitely going down to 20,000, just because of the facts that the charts usually show. I mean, that's how it usually goes. So we're going to hit this 20,000. And like I mentioned before, we can come visit down this 10,000 range, just because we haven't recovered any of these candlesticks right here. And then go down even further to recover the rest of all the candlesticks we haven't traveled to. And that's around 5,500. Because like I'll show y'all this example right here. When they made this drop right here, this super drop, it came down and recovered all these candlesticks right here, right? So this is what you should at least expect what they're going to do this time. Recover all these candlesticks with a nasty spike down here, and then come back on up here, level off around 10,000. And then once we back above 20,000, that's when I will consider it safe. But like I say, we just watch and see how it goes. But we still haven't made an extreme move yet. It's been looking kind of extreme, but it's not as bad as it's really going to get. But like I say, just look what's happening in the charts. Don't go on your feelings. Look what's happening around the world. Don't go on your feelings. Just look at the facts. Do not go on your feelings, because that's how people lose in this game. Got be seeing people comment, well, don't you think it's this? Don't you think? Well, I'm explaining to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I literally explained to y'all what they're doing. You have to think like a market maker to not make a mistake, because their whole game is to literally trick you out your own money. So yeah, like I say, we could get a max uptrend up just below 35,000, and then after that we're going back down 20,000, and then we see the levels and we'll reevaluate there. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.